Today we will learn how to change IP address on your mobile phone. So let's start. First of all, you have to open setting on your mobile phone. Then you have to click on Wi-Fi. After opening the Wi-Fi setting, you have to just open the Wi-Fi setting of your connected Wi-Fi. Here you can check that the IP address of my mobile phone is 192.168.1.2. So you can also check that my router gateway address is 192.168.1.1. 192.168.1.1, and for you it will be different. So for changing the IP address, you have to just click on IP setting. Here you can see that there are two options. First one is DHCP and second one is static. You have to click on static. For changing the IP address, you have to just change the last number of your IP address. Like here in my mobile phone, the IP address is 192.168.1.2. So I have to just change only last digit. So I can write down here 12. Then you have to change the DNS server. Just write down here 8.8.8.8, and in DNS too you have to write down 8.8. Just okay. Now again click on the settings of your connected Wi-Fi. Here you can see that the IP address is changed. And the new IP address is 192.168.1.12. So I think it is a very simple process. I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and share.